Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Royal Enfield is prepared to launch the new Bullet 350 in the market soon. The Bullet is a popular legendary bike that needs no introduction. Meanwhile, the test mule of the bike has been spotted several times. Here are the details of the Royal Enfield Bullet. Representation image of Royal Enfield Bullet 350. History of Royal Enfield Bullet. Royal Enfield launched the Bullet as its first bike in 1949. This bike has been serving its customers since 1949 in India. The main qualities of the Bullet are its classic design, retro stance, powerful engine and reliability. This bike is also serving Indian Army since 1955. In the 50s decade, Army ordered approx 800 units of the Bullet. In return, Royal Enfield got the rights to establish their manufacturing plant in India. Royal Enfield has launched several versions of the Bullet. The Taurus was known as the diesel version of the Bullet. Since it was heavy and starting this bike was difficult, the bike maker discontinued it. Currently, this bike is available in two different variants, the standard Bullet 350 and the classic. Platform and engine details. Royal Enfield Bullet is one of the legendary bikes which is in production since 1931. Now, the new Royal Enfield Bullet will use the latest J platform. With this platform, the Bullet will use a smoother 350 cubic centimeters engine. This engine is already used in the Classic, Meteor and Hunter 350. Presently, the Bullet is the only model which uses the 346 cubic centimeters UCE engine. The UCE engine is one of the reasons for the popularity of Royal Enfield. With the introduction of the new platform, the Bullet will use the new 350 cubic centimeters engine. This engine will produce 20 horsepower of power and 27 nanometers of torque. Features and styling of the new Royal Enfield Bullet. The design of the new Bullet is likely to resemble the previous model. However, we can expect some changes to the design profile of the bike. The new Bullet 350 will get a round LED headlight, wide fuel tank and two-piece seat. Meanwhile, the bike will get the telescopic suspension at the front, while the rear suspension will get dual rear shocks. Also, the bike will get disc brakes at the front and rear. The retro charm is likely to be retained by the spoke wheels, round biased tires and simple analog cluster. However, the Royal Enfield will make the changes to the cluster with new dials and a small digital meter for other bike details. Launch timeline, pricing, and the competition. Royal Enfield has announced that they will launch the new Bullet on the 30th of August 2023. This bike will be priced between the other models such as the Hunter and Classic 350. Thanks for watching. Credits to Motoroids.com. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.